In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the ringtone for a specific person on your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is open the Contacts app and then look for the contact in which you would like to change the ringtone. So let me select this one and then tap on this more option down here and select Change Ringtone and Vibration. Select Ringtone and then go through this list and look for the ringtone that you would like to use. And when you're happy with the ringtone, you can just go back. But if you'd like to create your own ringtone, what you want to do is tap on this plus icon at the top here and then go through this music list and find the perfect ringtone. So go through this list, look for a ringtone, tap on done, and then you'll notice that this is now your new ringtone because the radial button has been selected like that. This is now your ringtone. Then you can just go back and you can choose to change the vibration as well to any of these vibrations that are available. And then when you're happy, just go back. So now, whenever this person calls, this ringtone will appear and the call vibration will also work at the same time as the ringtone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you.